lot to create what he has today. Who then a natural? Nana John Mahama, who a star boy, who a lover boy. At the end of the day, 6 million people voted for you. 6 million made Donyame say, even if I knew you were going to win this election, no meaning say nipa 6 million better to Obama. Academy. And apart from saying nipa 6 million to Obama John Mahama, no. So many people voted against MPP parliamentarians. Time be so opposition be winning election wa Ghana ha. But say gap between MPs, you know, two parties, you know, parliament, you know, ya na emuwa. This time, you're very close, and you have 6 million votes. There are a number of which me a year and now. Ubenya 200,000 votes and net before 2021. There are number of which me lose 1 million votes. Look, MPP, sir, 8 years at the end of war as Ghanaians, no, it will affect MPP to vote in the Sobeti. And there are going to be too many issues. And you know, everything that you do today will have an impact on your tomorrow. So I stated clearly that if you want to run again, you have to know how to go about whatever you're doing right now. Number one, there are so many people campaign Sikano asan, but kakrashi sheho. So there are so many people who are starting new enterprises to make some of Sika Kakrana Kana Modebe campaign 2016. You know. There should be a way to continue making money. Nana to go to court and follow and say boom court no Nana do enye free o. So 2016 no, it was so much money for lawyers for this one to do this. Omo call your pink sheet, omo call put it together pink sheet. All of them were paid. So it is a whole new enterprise that people set up when you lose the election to get you to spend plenty money again. Omo because a man tia say yanko demonstration enye free o. Ye tieska. Nkrofo bebre beba, ubema nkrofo lo nti nipa na odi anim no sika beba. So me de e kamenko a anka bebia wugina sese yi no. Wugina yie. You don't have to allow these people to take Sikana out of their campaign 2016, you know. If you want to run again, kakrana can normal bohobine. Because I don't see how, even if you go to court, they will turn around and say you have won the election. I don't know. I don't see how. And I'm going to come to MPP for there, no. So I see it, no, parliamentary seats, no more area, no. So you see, me, all of there's so many people they have almost share Duma done. Apart from that, opposition now, opponent now are very, 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 very dangerous people. See, Yatuaba, John, who was strength, say we a nice person for 4 per. And then all of a sudden, started to tie Tamale. Immediately it escalates. Rebecca said John Mahama. NDC national chairman, me brapeni of Uswampofo. Okoka say, yes, a tape be meaning so no the kanya. Sorry about that. Yes, tape be about Bontia. According to Omo Mukuta tape, no, or say Ombeshe market, Omobeye say, Ombese, Ozaka cry a betuaba. You be kunipa, Ozaka cry betuaba, pay say MPBA war a infantima MP. Yamefa the currency, yes, ya boni too. Yenya boni to put you say hey for some for na cancer asem no ye the best show ye the ahye no ebia no nim ho hwe eno ye one ye say for some for can say ye be hye market in state institutions before election anche bia na GRA building our circle ni ja to mu na hye ye say for some for say ye be hye anche bia na Liberty House commercial bank ewo Accra e ja to mu na hye ye beto aba aka ye to aba na odon na market eja dem na hye John se nkofo start hye tie wo Tamale ni Bolgatanga ni ade a ombakwa akohye omo hye market no me mo obi edin o omo hye market ni a ene ade na omo person bi show fusu ampofo no ombakwa akohye Tamale municipal ombe starting to kwa na ade ahye wo. And you have to know how to present yourself to avoid these people. Yet your memu ha. I'm afraid no more social media and they are no more. Yet your memu ha 2000 year better by the year 2000 year better. Yes, a mewu anope bi obede be nyane no ne yesi oba wu na oba bi da ha wawu na JJ Rollins na wa ban mu emma kunkum si ye kumma omu de mani ye juju say ye kanya emma na wu ye ne hu ba ku busuani da ye to aba no wie ye MPP wi ni aba ne pe na ma na kunkum ni nyina gyae ye kwachi bodanfo bi wo sek ye se friend Charles Kwansa na ye se onu na na kunkum ma no kwa ye nuko jina kwata ebisa na sama Mr. Kwansa what do you have to say ye Mr. Agwene nko yi akwachi akwa ebisa onu no ye media menka so be kunkum ma no ye to aba no wi ye pe na ma kunkum ni gyae so these people they have a history. Those people, they know themselves. And so John Mahama, as for me, I will say this and I will say it again. One, don't allow anybody to set up an enterprise around you. Like me, I'll come to you and tell you that, Your Excellency, you don't say TPP, I have the voice. So give me money and let's start protesting. No, don't. Keep that money for 20. Now, if you are coming again or if somebody is coming NDC, you need it. I can send WhatsApp messages that all the boys should come. We will be protesting, we'll making noise. At the end of the day, I'll make some money. I'm not interested in that kind of business. But I say, and keep your no for your next coming or whatever or what NDC. It's okay. Abana yato no. Yeah, maybe we are say. I'm going to me down for. Adia would be you be not be you be. It did be a metroa. No, my catch will be said that. Aban for Professor Sano. Pine no more fast to do radio gold. Number fast up and so you must see radio. Me ma can't like me bring whom you look as my casasem. Well, we do moon you or China, you be doing what you know. Maybe they won't be down for expect that one. A deal me help walk around, me could not even know born or me teams never born. Say Yasna, me Yasna supporter. Say Yasna never say 2 teams never. Me sure. Nipa na will lose or be a Yashan 2 no. On me support, but so Seneca. Me the Attica me pay. Person Seneca can to be better TV na. I know how to see Juve ne Basa. Yasha one you see Yasha Basa 2. Me support Basa. Person Basa Seneca. Abaya the boat teacher Bobo. Okay? In 2016, the two abano. Afarijan, then EC boss. Akufo-Addo ne MPP for catcher and say Afarijan train irregularities bi akoso na yenhwe also bi anko court. Fa no ho. Mr. Adam Fadam for to go to court afa no. Ene ebia san sibi. We a guy man, edu to my bet we lose ukofi akoda. Then we can look at fighting for electoral reforms. We'll fight for reforms on a different level. Guy man a guy man level. Now we say, how can we conduct our elections to avoid a situation where in a pink sheet anyway make credit me you're creating app NDC MPP goom wine where you create donko omunyina wo so nya wo pesa otoma no wonam England airport Abuchi airport wonam adebisi ho are you satisfied yes no deben umia so assign information no yen ne sa no nkofo omugenya from saying polling agent ne wan obi eni ho yen fa de bi nsi ho electronic yen create app aga na ni bia betumi a download wo koto aba wudu ha aden ne sisi ho no wo pe MPP a when we miaso wo pe NDC a na wo pese wo miaso bia wo miaso pe immediately no app no obi ekita no wo refresh a e kire on ekọ obi atifi obi ehu ne ekọ enya afi ne ekran easy na easy abebo se aba no say na we nya say we ka bomu a e wo say e second round afi de o ma asan san no before forever wo ka bomu a e bro 100% aden you find a new way but nya ye say there say ye be kwa say friends election no say ye be san no say be esi mama media sumbiye na mepe so long as Kwame Nkrumah was able to gain independence for this country without firing a single shot. Kwame Nkrumah was the radical one. Na JB Dankwanom omo no omo ye friends omo no omo abotre omo no omo ye gentleman omo no omo botai omo mpe basabasa. So they were sitting down and waiting for the white man to hand independence to them on a silver platter. They wanted the white man to bring independence to them like it's a flower bouquet and bring it to them. Kwame Nkrumah said no. Kwame Nkrumah was radical. He said no, we want independence now. We want it now. And so he began his struggle. However, as radical as Kwame Nkrumah was, there was not a single time that they had to take arms to either offensive weapons or defensive weapons. There was not a single time. And these people didn't have the means of communication that we have today. We have all of these means of communication, and we must be able to make demands for reforms and all without being violent. Media before you see now escalating. We have won independence for this country without that escalation. I have said to everybody that I know, everybody that I've met, that I was say one day buying at Debi Ghana. I was say didn't nipa pia wanting na buying who because Akufo-Addo be Akufo-Addo nyina ye kumbe preku. Adentia na ye VAT ho asem na omo ka. We were talking about VAT. Value added tax. Value added tax. That was what brought about Kume Preku. So today, Akufo-Addo has no moral right to be against demonstrations. He cannot. People must have the right to demonstrate, but it must be peaceful. Ghana police for the soldier for no, enkurasi for wo mudodo. Menka so munyina o, menyam for no me soldier no, na se dan ko kan ka so asem no na munyina send message o bra kwa me say enkurasi for wo mu, manka so munyina. Ya nya independence among man we obi ewu ye to aba small issues tamale techima south na nipa miensa ewu adentia throughout 70 years ago and now bibia communication we say you can use so many means. Ghana police there and for demonstration the next thing is mukutetu. All you are waiting for is to kill people. 3 people died in one constituency when we gained independence for this country and nobody died. And Akufo-Addo, as a human rights lawyer or activist or whatever, must investigate that issue. There are so many ways to solve. Let my vote count in America. Let my vote count. Almost she dying here. They are burning down their communities. How many people died? Modia ye obi se menti ase so jeni atamtuo ye kokaso ayi musanye na mukuwom sam kurase sam no munjai Ghana police, Ghana military, I was some munjai sam kurase sam mutumi nkunipa 1 million. You cannot kill 1 million people. Ayem kurase sam. The world has developed so much that you cannot decide that immediately people are against the government or which people are. The next thing is that you have to start killing people. Look, for 6 months na ye demonstration ewo England. 6 months climate change demonstration. How many people did you hear that they died? What is the police for Bobby too? Let my vote count here. Yes, she dying for looting your men. How many people did you hear die? The riots in England. No? How many people? Mudia police need here. Ghana police. The Ghana police. Muhu young boy send them with 7 people say omo ya armed robber. Boom, you come in a Zongo boy 7. You come on adentia they are armed robbers. You like killing people too much. We are saying that era is long gone. Why you kill people just because they are protesting or they disagree? Every small thing, they are Ghana police, Ghana military, you want to kill people. And there must be, you see, the way now institutions never mem hang here, man. Me have said it over and over and over. Institutions in this country do not work. So many institutions have failed. And there must be protest in this country. Peaceful protest. Look, there are so many ways to protest peacefully. Non-violent resistance is the process of achieving social change through protest, demonstrations, and all of this. You achieve social change. And it can be non-violent. And the police must be part of that non-violence because it almost always starts with the police. Trigger hungry. They are just waiting to shoot somebody. Police need to be about police in 30 years until to another. So demonstration of also could be lawyer for equal protest. Lawyers, law students, equal protest. Law students are protesting how the admission into law school and also in Tokwa protest. Madam for a NPP near Kokostani. Opia. Just a moody Jimmy does more police. I'll say a catcher. There are some people who must stand up to you people. Some people must stand up. Everything, law students are only demonstration here in TSA. And that you cannot use that force. And this country, no problem I want to say. We should be to say Christian Council. Bogus. Christian Council only knows how to talk when NDC is in power. Bogus. I saw for more kind Bible. The Bible talks about being fair so many times. Go and read your own Bible. Go and read your own Bible. It talks about being fair so many times in the Bible. So many times God talks about being fair to each other. Christian Council only talks when the NDC is in power. Apart from that, nothing means anything to them again. How can the country move? And Christian Council said, occupy Ghana, occupy Ghana. The day immediately MPP came to power, they changed. Yes, ABNDC by power and can somewhere they don't come to Bejai, but it cannot be like that. Yeah? Yeah? And because Christian Council, every police for soldier for the country says, how do you know me? Come. But Omo Ankasano, they have their own issues. They are very biased. They are very, very, very biased. It is wrong that all of us can protest peacefully because institutions in this country do not work. Institutions in this country do not work. And the institutions that do not work, number one, I said the other day, police CID. Police CID on my Friday. Obi si waye ye no. Obi na me say ono no ye me na me so me ye ni bi. Om say kra. Now police CID obi penny adi matter me di ni bi na police ni na police CID for the court. Ghana police CID, what they are interested in is that somebody insulted me and I replied the person, you know, omu ye ya de me call court. Omu me call court, you know. Na me dey call high court. Omu the police for me call court, na me the police for no call high court. Me dem me permanent up to there as somebody can we yan kaso we da. Omu me call court, na me dey call court. Because I understand. And you know, Akusia me lecture, me administrative law lecture. Watch me the remedies that I can seek. It only me call court. I'm just me do call court nibi. Ha. What just here? People must be allowed to protest in this country, and all that we will advocate for is that we will do the Nkrumah radical type of protest, which does not come with offensive and defensive weapons. There are so many protests. Look, do you know how the USSR began falling? The process that led to it. After the Second World War, after the Second World War, when most of the Baltic states were incorporated into the USSR, then some countries, Estonia and all of these countries, began this singing protest. Singing. People met at night and in the evenings in their thousands, hundreds of thousands to sing. The singing process. The whole USSR collapsed, and this was the process that began the collapse of the USSR. Look, this guy, what is his name? Ferdinand Marcos, Filipino president. You know, how was he removed? Through peaceful protest. No offensive, no defensive weapons. How do you call this guy? In this this, what's his name? Martin Luther King. Look at the reforms that he brought to America, allowing black people to vote, stopping water fountain, segregation. All of these things ended because Martin Luther King was protesting and fighting for social change without offensive and defensive weapons. The difference between Martin Luther King and Marcus Garvey is very clear. And so we can do the same here. There should be a time CID does not work. BNI is only used for oppressing political opponents. Yoko is only used for boys who from a Sakawa boys who transfers Kebina to account man. That is Yoko's job, nothing else. A Auditor General Department. The Auditor General Department has been politicized. How do you call them? Special prosecutor himself has run away. There is nothing left in this country to fight corruption. There is nothing left. And so, we the people must wake up one day in the hundreds of thousands. And you see, Akufo-Addo understands this game very well. This is the right time to change Ghana. Akufo-Addo, Dano Yebisan or Al Jazeera say, Adenti na Ghana, more accept same-sex marriage, you know. Also, performing demand Ghana for no, they have not come together to demand it. It is not even part of our plans. Also, when I was growing up in England, people started forming groups and agitating, and then we got to where we are today. So Akufo-Addo is on YouTube. Go and watch. Akufo-Addo is trying to tell you that if you want some social change, you should come together, form groups, and agitate. And the change that we want in this country is that we want to know who are behind Ejapa. The fact that Akufo-Addo has won the election does not end everything. Ejapa deal is one of the worst things that has happened in this country. And we want to know who are behind it. And there should be thousands, hundreds of thousands of people, if not millions, who are going to the ministries. Look, police can't kill 1 million people. Who policeman? Why they be this idea? So if John Mahama has 6 million people who have voted for him and he wants reforms, he must present himself in a certain way to put friends saying, make his supporters understand that we are going to protest. We are not going to start burning ties. Me hono na me supporting no. I'm start some burning ties and I'm say, John, this thing can escalate. You the person be how. We want to use the constitution. Look, when you read the constitution carefully, every day I tell you people about this. When you read the constitution carefully, Article 37.2. When you read the constitution carefully, Article 37.2, it says that the states must enact laws to help people to enjoy rights, including the rights to form their own associations to fight for their interest. One can say we should form association to fight for your interest. He said people, Article 37.2, I guess. Yes. Chapter 6, Directive Principles of State Policy. Go and read Article 37.2. It says that the state shall enact laws to ensure that people enjoy rights to form their own associations to fight for their interests. So as a Democrat who believes in the Constitution, if gay people start to come together to demonstrate that they want same-sex marriage to be legalized, that is their problem. That is their problem. It is in the Constitution, it's law. You understand? And so we must come together and demand to know who. Our interest is to know who are behind Ejapa. We have to know. We have to tell this government that coming 2021, don't come and give us 130 ministers, because look at the transition team, the same old faces, the same people. Osafo is still in government, doing what? I just don't understand. Same old people, the young guys are always sidelined. Ghana, you have to get gray hair. That's why I leave my gray hair. But once you get gray hair, no, it puts you in a certain. So yes, we must come together and tell this government that Ghana does not need a minister of state for agric, a minister of agric, a deputy minister for agric in charge of annual crops, deputy minister for agric in charge of perennial crops, deputy minister for agric in charge of horticulture, minister for fish, chief director at the fisheries ministry, chief director at the agric ministry, deputy minister for fish. And all of these go into government spending. So we must come together that who has won the election is not the issue. We must come together and agitate like our president told us and ensure that things are changing for all of us. We must come together and agitate and ensure that it is changing. We want to know what happened with PDS. Some people took our money for 6 months, PDS. Nothing has happened. And so because Akufo-Addo has won the election or John Mahama does not agree, or all of these issues we are talking about, was it just for the government to lose? No, it's for Ghana to understand what happened. And so we have to continue. We want to know what happened with PDS. There should be an information that everybody is getting that PDS, these people took our money for 6 months. What did they put in? We want to know. We want to know what happened with Galamsey and excavators. All of these things we must know. We must know. We cannot end it because somebody. So every noise we are making is about election. No. And the person who has the people to be able to know all of this is John Mahama. John Mahama has the people. We too, we have some. Even my man, what is his name? Goon Party won about 90,000 votes. Do you know what it means to put 90,000 people on the street? So many things will change in this country if you put 90,000 people on the street. So many things will change. And so we have to look at things in this direction. It shouldn't be, and you NDC people, me, I've been supporting you. I've been saying things that benefit you for so many years. You are crying over this. I'm supporting you. Now I'm telling you that let's look at different directions. Your flag bearer, you people should stop that thing. You want to just chop his money. Yeah, it be game. You guys, you want to play the game. Me, I text GM, what and say, Excellency, make you know my demo. Make you know my them. They want to chop your money. The money, the small money remain. They just go form group. Let my vote count. Today we they go here. Tomorrow we they go here. They just want to chop your money. If you get money, let's use it to advocate for social change. You have 6 million people. Let them demand accountability. From now to 2024, how you present yourself is what you are going to get. I hear your friend is saying, today we are going to here to go and check whether pink sheet is here. Every day of mint here is nothing less than 100,000 Ghana. Every day. And they'll come and lie to you that go to court. And that process itself is another enterprise that people are going to set up. They'll chop your money. Them, like I said, it's just a suggestion. If you listen to me, MPP people, we started talking. MPP this show, MPP, they didn't listen. Now this is where they are. Lost so many seats in parliament. Don't go and build a cathedral. They say we don't understand, we build cathedral. Don't go and expand the chamber of parliament. People need water. Don't spend 200 million expanding the chamber of parliament. They say no, they don't understand. Today, look at where parliamentarians are. So, Your Excellency, as for me, as your small brother, the other day when we met, he told people, oh, A+ there, they be my paddy. Me too, I like your mother. That be why I will only suggest to you that what is the way forward. Let me deliver a speech like I'm John Mahama. Me, I want to deliver a speech like I'm John Mahama. Good evening, fellow countrymen, fellow Ghanaians, Akufo-Addo. John Mahama must come up with his own. So, good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for voting for me. I am happy that 6 million Ghanaians believe and trust in me. I am happy that 6 million Ghanaians believe and trust in me and have voted for me. This is a clear indication that the country needs somebody like me to lead. What has happened in Parliament is a clear indication that Ghanaians are not satisfied with the performance of this government. I am very much excited, and I want to thank you very much. However, I am not like Akufo-Addo. As somebody who has been president of this country before, I know the effect that the election petition had on my government. I would therefore not want to hold the country to ransom. Even though I disagree with the decision of the Electoral Commission, I accept it and will let the country move forward. I'm going to take a break and I'll come back and make a decision which will be announced. Politics na you know. Scale. And John, you know this one. You are one of the best communicators. You are one of the. And I was saying your star boy count. What's your lover boy count? What I say? You know, don't try to be. Don't do gangster. No. What you are is the best. Yeah. What's America say? Adena Akufo-Addo no. Omudi Akufo-Addo 2016, 2012 no. Omudi bia aye NDC for me dey atika dey mepe. Omudi bi beye Assassin Radio. Enche bia. Mo bia metra ha mbekasa. Obi ade bia ye kan ne bi obi amaken to ho. Ya mo kan okure. Ade na ye de ye do Akufo-Addo no. Se mo hu. Wo de ade ye obi a onim se ebi na ato abasise ni. Asem ko hu post bi o mo se what NDC WhatsApp group bi o mo se Wednesday no Michelle Akufo-Addo no ma miska. Ghana bibia yeska. Mo mpese ye be kan okure. Akufo-Addo matata na 3 years wo ma miska se Wednesday na ye bo aba no man se we win no so adano no o ma miska se me fan ye de say yeah we be nsem hu a won ti asio. But you see, you can't think about these things. Now, the election petition, yeah, the 4 months was in the council, yeah, the 5 minutes they go, Obianko Fiankoda, yeah, 2 months they go, Bian Fianko. nya di Akufo Addo ene wateneka ne amode ya John Mahama no ye ade bia meka ade bia odo Ibrahim Mahama bia obeteneka one day the time beso what kind Bible are the fruit of the spirit. When you read the Bible, the fruits of the spirit, it includes something that is called long suffering. Mo minim the way I am kwa sorry no. Me dey me yes me nkwa sorry. Me nkwa sorry ba me bom pai na me kan Bible no. Me kan de bia bebo me. O say emu akwasia na anya ne se wo so ya kwasia. Wo ko enim kakra bi because bu akwasia na anya ne se na onimyansa. Timi de hono na mefa bu akwasia no. Ha. Enti no ade bia ya tro Bible mu bia say long suffering say wenya abotre akutru enyoma bi. Eye naturally obi inshira bi beba. Epono be bie wo baabi. Enti bibia wo de ye John enne no. So one kasa we hu ni John no NDC tam ye de Akufo Addo no ni NDC ni Akufo Addo enya wo. Ade a wo ye enne no. Fa se utiri mu se ochina ebe dame. Mon ko so radio gold no. Mo an so radio gold na mo mo ntumi anka mo adwen wo ho a ochina eye foot soldiers na ba be dum asase radio. No mo edum mo so mo de no. Bibia obeye nne bia no se okonfobia na se sofo bi nhye won kom se wo be wudi a na se wo won kwatenten a fa wadwen to ade na wo ye no o ka asama make sure say na aba wuji wani ochina ye de bi ye wa wunsu eya na kofi bia from say hey plus kofi enkrofo suru wo Facebook na me say this almost almost my head then almost say ayi Akufo Addo win election na me say mo nsiri bi e wi ase dia mo wi ase amon kan kura mo nsiri na Akufo Addo lose election anka unim nya memeye Akufo Addo lose election we ya anka unim nya memeye wo kroma gata bi ro beta on ita dey na my bet e do o cha se ehia Akufo Addo lose anka make catch people for ye ka sem kire mo monte mo yan kan kura Akufo Addo yesi we win NDC for we win ya almost mo nsiri mi bi enya za na wiase ne wiase yen de ani o de anka wo besire obi na se enyame ayadom na ono anyawa osiro kakra o se wadwa masa mo mi anka no presa na tie edi we diu nti me hu se ayi abrand say obi apu amaye photo bi me Kelvin Taylor Martin now we do na ya me ho because here na masire. But the good thing is that there are so many people who go under that photo and say no, these guys are the people that we need in this country. Yeah, that must say. And you know, finally, me do you know, we are Ghana ni na uti omemu ha. Eduma we are ye nyina yen yete ha na ye you. Yete ha na ye ntu kwan yo. And I have said over and over to everybody that I've met that my dream is to show a government people that will bring the government to its knees and change so many things in this country. And that is what I'm expecting everybody who wants the best for this country to be part of. We have to put people, look, there should be so many people that government will run away and so many things will change. It has to be peaceful. It can be peaceful. It can be done. It can be done. No, be done. No, that's dream. There's nothing wrong with protest. Na say what's your memu ha? Na say obiti baby. Oti abroche o. No aso camera ai Facebook live isi no so. No aka kire wo say ko monko hye tai monko yese ya. Baby oti no. Police form fatuo shoot nkrofo. London police kra na omo nkutatuo. Ha de wo ya obi bekun free. Enti fa kwan papa so fa ye na ade a ye kwaye be nyina ye nkwa ho hia obi ti baabi na ono ti ho no aka kire wo se wo koye sei na mko na de obi ankwa abonte no koye sei omra ha biye omra biye wo ha yan ye te ha o kwame plus me menti togo me menko ai togo ai menko gina ai lo me kura ye Facebook live dawo de bia ha na me wo ena ma se me ho na me de nam na ma no de me na me je se obi nsra de me ntumi ntena baabi se wo ye brave daabi enti edwuma na ye wo ha no e wo se mommo ti ase se yen no nyoma ye kotru wo ha no enye easy o ba me de metufo hwe ena wanko ya ade bi a ebema obi age won kwan fi won sam me I'm not scared You understand? Me, I'm not scared. Don't send me back as well. Who are going to calm me car again. So some you see here. Or then it's a car like a track and we're going to be car. Some who actually they see you on. Me now me need to be 50. Boys no be abodam. You know me I don't me show me tia. Would you dia no jack Facebook live now you be. No abetena ha. No was show mo sa. Say no mo na e ba record no boy no ball car no na HF no. Unu omo ye no no. Anopo me so say na I reset to factory mode. It means robia. Me like me means rob. When we na me take am be me means robia. Me means true because me my sister do man at me means true. Me pia and no make congo so and I kroma you huntima koka so that be honey me territory. Me te ha. But me kra no me too for say koya de emfata. Mo nko hye tai. Me ye. Na nsen aye be news conference. Me boys no say plus police for no say then dog you let's go and clash with the police. Na me catch them say as a general there's one thing that I will always want to achieve. To take my men to battle and bring everybody safe and sound. I do not want anybody say BBC here. No more example. Here, Uganda saying Bobby Wine. No, me here. Me person be a baby. I'm not desperate for anything. Me person be a humbeti. Me person is sister on my way without anybody suffering anything. Any ensure, won't me yet, won't me a aha. To me, yes, but men per se be BC me pursue beer. So why would you want bad there? Boys on the bull. No, like crazy, like on the bull. What I say, but men per se any police for Papa Contokwa and the young coyer demonstration, the police for the Kunkumu Crawford, the Bobby Wine in a few days near Cindy Park over 100. No, I do not want it. I do not. I'm not desperate. I don't want to be the Bobby Wine of Ghana. I want to be Kwame Nkrumah. If Kwame Nkrumah was able to gain independence for this country without losing any life, I want to be Kwame Nkrumah. I do not want to be Bobby Wine. Bobby Wine, what he's doing, that is how he can face Museveni and his people. Let them do it. Ghana is not Uganda. We are not like them. We will not be like them. We are going to save this country. It's for the betterment of this country. I do not want to be Bobby Wine. I want to be Kwame Nkrumah. I want to be Kwame Nkrumah. But that does not mean that you can attack me. You can't attack me. Like I've said, you cannot. I mean, when I step out, once I meet a Kwame, once I taxi you, but I pack you. Once I 50 price to invite me radio social member because it costs money for me to come. When I go to Joy FM, I go with my boys. You cannot enter there. It's a no-go area. However, we are not offensive. We are not fighting. We are not destroying anything. I'm just protecting myself.